Hello everyone, I welcome you all to ATM Creations. Let's begin with today's design. I'll keep center dot in yellow. I'll keep some dots in magenta. I'll keep tiny dots in magenta. Today, I'm going to share about SMART goals and the Dot Mandala art journey. I'll keep some dots in green. In the area of personal and professional growth, or any other area of life for that matter, the SMART Goal framework has long been celebrated as a tool for success. Simultaneously, the journey of mastering Dot Mandala art, it also offers a lot of lessons in terms of mindfulness, patience, precision, and creativity. I'll keep tiny dots in green. Now I was thinking, what if I mix these two, which are totally different path? I'll keep some dots in metallic green. Maybe we can find a great relationship where each one complements the other, and it may also help us move forward in a structured achievement path towards our artistic journey. Okay, by the way, what are these SMART goals? SMART stands for specific, measurable, achievable, relevant, and time bound. I'll make these dots into swipes now. Let me give you a quick breakdown. Specific means define your goal with clarity and precision. Very high level of clarity. And number two, measurable. You need to figure out a criteria to track your progress towards where you want to go. And the next is achievable. Ensure the goal is realistic and achievable. Relevant. Does the goal really align with your broader objectives of what you want to do with your life? And the last is time bound. Set a deadline that will help you to stay committed to your plan. I basically use this method, and this method provides a roadmap for achieving success in anything that you wanted to do. I'll walk the dots in yellow. Dot Mandala, which is widely practiced across the globe, is a practice of creating intricate patterns as we are doing in this video too. According to me, it is more than just an art. It is a meditative process that helps me in mindfulness, concentration, and creativity. I'm sure you would have enjoyed all of these benefits too yourself. Each dot, when you carefully place it, it contributes to a larger, beautiful dot mandala. Now I'm just going to connect the SMART goals with dot mandala art. I'm just going to give a try. The journey of mastering dot mandala art also mirrors the principle of SMART goals. Let's explore the connection between dot mandala and SMART goals. I'll keep dots in magenta. Number 1, specificity in patterns. So instead of saying I want to create a dot mandala, maybe you can say I will design a 36-inch dot mandala with brush strokes and mirrors. And number 2, measurable progress. You can define measurable steps such as completing these many number of circles of the mandala each day. So why should I measure progress? Measuring progress is integral part of achieving symmetry and precision in your dot mandala. Each dot size, spacing, where you place it, contributes to the entire mandala's harmony and symmetry. Number 3, achievability. Start with attainable objectives like mastering basic techniques before progressing to intricate designs. Beginners often start with small designs on keychains and coasters, or the design like we are currently doing now. It's just a 6-inch dot mandala, and then you can gradually advance to larger canvas. I'll keep some tiny dots now. So why should I slowly advance to bigger mandalas? Because these achievable steps prevent the overwhelming feeling, and it also helps you to build confidence to make dot mandalas in bigger size. Okay, number 4, relevance. Creating dot mandalas resonates deeply with my personal and spiritual growth. I'll keep some dots in yellow. It is not just about the final product, but also the process which improves my mindfulness and emotional well-being. So of course, making dot mandalas is very, very relevant for my personal growth. I'll keep some dots in green. So the last one and the 5th one, time-bound commitment. Let's say you want to make a 36-inch dot mandala. Assign a deadline, like completing a 36-inch dot mandala in 5 days. I'll walk the dots now. Now, why should I assign a deadline? Setting time frames for completing sections of the mandala encourages kind of a self-discipline, and when you respect that self-discipline, it will help you stay on time and still finish the mandala. Some of the lessons which I personally learned from dot mandala for goal setting. The first one is patience and persistence. Like placing dots meticulously, achieving goals requires steady effort. I'll keep some dots in magenta. The next lesson is flexibility in design. While the structure of the mandala is definitely crucial, allowing creativity to flow can lead to unexpected beauty. I'll keep some swipes in magenta. Number 3, celebrating milestones. Completing each layer of mandala brings a whole lot of satisfaction, much like reaching milestones in a goal. And number 4, mindfulness. Dot Mandala art teaches you to stay in the present, a very valuable mindset for pursuing goals without succumbing to stress. Let me give you an example. For setting smart goals, let's say for making a dot mandala. I'll keep dots in yellow. Number 1, specific. Create a 36-inch dot mandala inspired by earthy colors. Measurable. Dedicate 3 hours every single day and complete n number of layers of the design. I'll make these yellow dots into swipes. Achievable. Use accessible tools and practice basic techniques beforehand. Relevance. Enhance my artistic skills while promoting mindfulness and mental well-being. Time bound. Finish the project within 5 days. So according to me, the SMART goal framework and dot mandala journey are something that can complement each other. So by integrating the principles of SMART goals into practice of dot mandala, you not only achieve your artistic mastery, but also cultivate a purposeful and fulfilling approach to life. I'm sure this message and the video are useful to you, and thank you for watching this video.